This how-to video will show you the steps in preparing the base for your new poly tank. You've made a wise decision to install a water tank to secure your future water security. Whether your tank is for your home and garden or for stock, the preparation of the site and the base your tank will sit on is critical. To be effective, your new tank must be structurally secure on a solid base. There are a number of considerations you need to look at to decide what type of tank base you require. Commonly, your choices are a concrete slab, a sand or crusher dust base, a tank stand, or in some cases, you may need to partially sink your tank into the ground. This is done to reduce the height the tank is above the ground, as your aim in installing a tank is to secure your water supply at full capacity. The type of base you choose is determined by a number of factors. The cost, crusher dust or sand is a lower cost, or you may require a concrete base or gravity-fed water, which would dictate a tank stand. Remember, water is heavy. A full tank is really heavy. 1,000 litres of water weighs 1 tonne, so 30,000 litres of water weighs 30 tonnes. If you are putting in a tank stand on a concrete slab, it needs to be designed by your engineer to carry the maximum weight. When designing your slab, Bushmans recommends you leave at least 100 millimetres of space between the tank perimeter and the edge of the concrete slab. The most common form of tank base is a sand or crusher dust base. If this is your choice, ensure your material does not contain rocks or sticks or other material that could penetrate your tank floor. Spread the sand or dust over the base to a depth of 50 to 75 millimetres, leaving a space of at least 300 millimetres around the diameter and the edge of the tank base, ensuring all material is level and compacted. All tanks, because of their weight, require a firm base. Bushmans also recommends your base is boxed in, reducing the risk of it being undermined or washed away. Timber sleepers or similar materials are an excellent long-wearing choice for this. Many tanks are suitable for tank stands. However, it is important these stands, like concrete slabs, are engineered to carry the weight of a full tank. If the stand has a slatted floor or base, it is important slat gaps are no more than 25 millimetres wide. There should also be at least 100 millimetres of space between the tank base and the edge of the tank stand floor. It goes without saying that the tank must be secured to the stand, both when it is full and empty. An ideal choice for this are hold-down lugs. There are some situations where the tank needs to be partially in the ground. The maximum depth is no more than 1/3 of the tank wall height. The site should have the base excavated, so there is a gap of 150 to 200 millimetres between the excavated wall and the tank wall. You need to ensure the excavated wall is stable. Then prepare the base with concrete, crusher dust or sand as you would any other tank that sits above ground. It is important not to use soil taken from the hole. Spread a 200 to 300 millimetre layer of sand around the base of the tank and manually compact, ensuring all voids are filled. Continue to do this until the void area is filled. The water inlet and outlet will be via the roof. Once you have the base prepared, you are ready to have the tank delivered and installed.